previous episode, you were killed right after entering the eerie classroom. Luckily, you had a resurrection pill. But in this episode, the creepy teacher actually asks you to answer how to kill humans, and if he's not satisfied, he'll kill you.
Okay, let's start with the random questioning now. Just say the answer.
The answer is 4.
You got the answer wrong.
The next second, her nose disappeared, and she collapsed to the ground in pain, clutching her face.
It seems he is truly human. You can answer this question.
Isn't this just a function problem? X equals 12.
Great. The answer is correct. Next question. How to kill people efficiently and despairingly. I'll pick the best answer. The rest of the students will be punished.
Drop bomb in the square.
It attracts too much attention.
Several more students stood up to answer, but the teacher wasn't satisfied.
Well, this is the only best answer, and the chance of dying is way too high.
Classmate, please answer this question.
Release a zombie in the subway during morning rush hour. It bites people, and they can't escape, only waiting for death. Then open the subway doors when everyone is infected.
This classmate's answer is excellent.
The teacher finished speaking with a smile, and in the next second, the other student's body suddenly exploded. You were stunned. The next second, they came back to life on their own.
Okay, class. Please finish your exam papers next. Do not walk around casually before the exam ends.
It's almost 12 o'clock. Could this be on purpose?
You originally wanted to ask for help in the group, only to find that everyone there had broken down.
I entered this eerie classroom, and it's almost 12 o'clock. What should I do if I'm not allowed to leave?
I just saw a survivor trying to leave, and the teacher twisted their head off right away.
Oh no, it's already 12 o'clock, and the apartment door has opened.
Oh no, the door has been closed.
Having to stay in this weird classroom until tomorrow, isn't that just a death sentence?
What bad luck. I actually ran into this level on the last day.
Today's the last day. If I don't get back to the apartment, won't I be doomed too? Oh right, I have an extra time card.
Okay, the exam is over. Class, take a break.
You watched the classmates walk out of the classroom and let out a sigh of relief.
First, pack up all the supplies here. You never know if they might come in handy. There are still 30 minutes left after everything is packed up.
You open the map and run quickly toward the star marker. You open the treasure chest.
Congratulations, Master. You have obtained the puppy, and you can train it to help you guard the house.
Although it's not needed for guarding the house, having a dog for company is still nice. It already knows to recognize its owner, which is pretty smart of it.
You click on defense first, you add a shield to the door, and then you set up some traps. You took advantage of the remaining time to go outside the door and install a row of ground spikes along the exterior of the house. Someone has offered gold for your earlier gold request, and most want food in exchange. You click trade, and gold appeared on the table.
System upgrade.
Upgrade successful.
You watch the space expand, and an extra room appears.
Great! This way you won't have to run back and forth around the house anymore.
You exercised on the treadmill for a while, and instead of feeling tired, your body felt much more relaxed. You look at the workbench. This upgrade actually added a weaving function.
There are very few clothing patterns on the workbench, so it seems an upgrade is needed. Let's try the drawings that Ethan gave me last time.
Place the items according to the drawings.
It actually got made, and what's more, it's identical to the one I'm wearing.
You went to take a shower, changed into clean clothes, lay down on the bed, and fell asleep.
The heavy rain will last for 2 days, and the danger will double. Master, do you want to enter the other world?
Of course not.
You suddenly saw a contract button at the very top of your phone and clicked it instinctively.
If I buy up farm workers at a low price at this time, won't I be able to sit back and enjoy the benefits later? I will provide supplies, but you need to work for me after the heavy rain stops. Those who are interested, please bring your resumes. In this way, you will only need to sit back and enjoy the benefits after the heavy rain stops. System, what do I need to level up to the next level
Master, level 6 is already the maximum level.